This is a delicious and super simple recipe for a tomato and onion salad. It almost doesn't warrant a recipe, but here we go. So slice a red onion quite fine and pop it in a bowl. If you want to take some of that kick away from the red onion, a good tip is to pour some boiling water over the top of it. This will soften the onion as well as take some of that kick away. You could use vinegar too, or cold water, and that will actually make them really lovely and crisp. So then strain the onions and pop some fresh lemon juice over the top. Then give it a really good mix and add a little bit of sea salt. Then slice your tomatoes and pop them on a platter, and only if you want to, and if you've got some, put some cherry tomatoes over the top. Now scatter the red onion slices around and on your tomatoes. Finish off with some sea salt. Now it looks like a lot, but it's sea salt flakes, freshly cracked black pepper, Cobram Estate extra virgin olive oil, and now finish with some fresh herbs. So you could use oregano or parsley or dill would be fantastic. A little gentle splash of red wine vinegar or sherry vinegar, and that's it. Enjoy.